Hi, I'm Srikanth. I'm working in FIS Global as a senior project manager. The past 2 days, JP is taken a class or a session on Jira admin. He's exceeded my expectation because I was never used Jira. I just seen it, and I used Jira long back, but he clarified almost all my doubts, and in fact the 2 days is exceeded the expectation by 40%, I can say. In 2 days hectic, I learned a lot on a Jira admin, both in a Scrum project as well as Kanban and waterfall, and the same Jira can be how it can be used in non-IT environment. Once again, thanks to Leanpitch as well as JP for this wonderful session. Thanks a lot. Bye.